Newport Youth and Play Service offer both play clubs and youth clubs across the city of Newport to young people aged 5 to 24. Play clubs are run by a team of qualified staff. They run in local communities and are available for all children aged 5 to 12 years. You will need to complete a registration form for your child to attend a club. We provide a range of opportunities and activities that are led by the children. This could include sport, cooking, games, arts, crafts and much more. As well as participating in activities, children can chat with play workers to gain support and guidance on issues that concern them. Children's opinions are at the heart of how the clubs are run, and they are encouraged to share their views and ideas on not only what activities take place in club, but also how children can shape the wider service.